Morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm hoping that I'm going to be keeping up with these, but so far so good. I've remembered to bring my camera, which is a start. Eyebrows are still looking very dark. Never mind. Look at my hair. I can't believe I'm going out like this. I'm going to go to the gym now because I have the hairdressers at 12. So I thought if I go to the gym first thing, get back, walk the dog. Although I probably should have gone and walked the dog first. No, anyway, that's the plan. I'm going to go to the gym now, get that done quickly, get home, walk the dog. Then I should have time to sort myself out before the hairdressers. And I'm going to take you with me. I'm still undecisive. I really didn't sleep last night. All I kept thinking was about my hair. I know that sounds so stupid, but I was like, should I just all go all dark? Should I go like caramel? Should I go like, what should I do with this? Like, I really do not know. And I'm sure I'm gonna love it, but you know, I'm just so indecisive. Like, I just don't know what to do. And I have already said to Abby, I was like, do you know what, worst case scenario, I'll go back bleach blonde in, or like have some highlights in summer. But I have reached out. So basically I get inundated with extension companies that sell extensions to work with them. I've obviously shown you Beauty Works before. I've shown you Zala hair extensions. I've worked with a company called Dores, which is absolutely amazing. I get a lot of emails from companies that do hair extensions. It's quite a competitive market, and also on top of that, my videos where I talk about hair extensions are really popular, so I think that's why a lot of companies like to work with me, which is really lovely. But this one company stood out in particular. I'm running out of battery, typical. This one company stood out in particular, so I've reached out to them, and I might see if I can get some clip-ins. So I'm going to send them a picture of my hair when it's done today, and then yeah, I might get just some like clip-ins, but then have it all chopped off today. That's what I'm thinking anyway. But I will film and keep you posted. I'm gonna go because I'm froze to death. I'm running out of battery. I'll try and film a little bit in the gym on my phone. Nick will go with. She's had obviously her boobs done, so we're still working on lower more so, and no heavy lifting, which means it's a Brucey bonus for me. So I've got my energy drink and I'm off to the gym, and I'll speak to you in a bit, guys. Okay, so today in the gym was a full body day. Obviously a lot more body weight because of Nick, but she's starting to use her upper now, which was good because we got to do some upper exercises. We did do some on the landmine, which I didn't film, and then we came over onto the TRX and we did like 3 exercises. We did basically the 3 sets where you get further and further out, so you're doing different pull-ups basically. So you can see the first one I'm doing like more over my knee, then now I'm like laid back doing more like pull-ups, and then finally some kind of, they're almost like assisted squats, but you do half and half, so you use your legs and your arms. And then we finished on these. They look really easy, but let me tell you, by the 3rd set I was dying. And then we did the sled after this, which I also didn't film. So I filmed what I could, but I just thought I would film this exercise for you. Okay, so I'm just here at my hair appointment. This is what it's looking like before. Let me see if I can get a good representation of it. The light here isn't great because it's very dark today. This is so greasy. This is so embarrassing. I hate going into Abby's like this, but this is what it's looking like. This is like the ends. I'll see if she can get a clip of it when it's down. But yeah, I'm gonna go in now and here we go.
Wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here.
this is obviously like a lot later on. I think you did see the clip of when she'd first done it. It looks light again in this light. It's so weird. Like, I have so much dark put through, and then when I come home and I sit in this light, it just looks light still. It's a bit shorter than I anticipated, but I do love it. And when I first got home, I was proper panicking. I was like, oh my god, I don't know if it's too short. So I've got some extensions in this colour, and I popped them in, and do you know what? I preferred it short. So I think I've just got to learn to get used to it a little bit. But I do think, like, it looks so thick, like at the back. It is crazy. But I'll wash it tomorrow and then see how I get on, because my hair is like my hair's so greasy, it'll be greasy tomorrow. But yeah, she did, so for anyone asking, she did a full head of foils in 7.8, and then she, like, in between it, she did like a root tap, she calls it. So she, like, did all the slices in between that 7.8, which is like a hot blonde brown, and then she did 2 foils at the front, the tiniest bits, with a bit of bleach. Just gotta get used to it. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Nail day tomorrow. Hi guys, so you're balancing on like a bottle, and ignore this divot I've got going on in my head. I slept in a silk like satin cap last night, and it's basically dented my forehead. So note to self, get one with the band on. Anyway, I have just had a shower. Look, it's so weird, it looks so short and so dark. But I have just messaged my hairdresser because I have got a little bit of a root glow situation going on, so we didn't want to go too dark on the roots because we didn't want it to be like too scary. But then in the daylight I've got a bit of a glow, so I'm just going to dry it. And she said to pop in, she might put a darker root in, even darker. Anyway, while I was sitting here, I thought I would open my Look Fantastic parcel. So, full transparency, they haven't sent me these, but they did send me a voucher towards them, because I work with them and my performance was really good last month, because if you buy through my links, obviously they monitor it, and I did really well last month, so thank you to you guys. Anyway, I have got a box of Colour Wow goodies mainly, and then one little extra. So I have ordered the Dream Filter, which I cannot wait to try. This is apparently like, you put it in your hair and it gets rid of all like the build up, all the things that you get in your hair from hard water, stuff like that. I've seen some amazing results. So this is a pre-shampoo mineral remover. It says filters out colour destroying minerals found in tap water that dull, darken and distort colour and unveils a brighter colour. I've seen really good things about this. It's basically like a clarifier, but in a spray. Then I got the 2 that I've been dying to try. One is called Raise the Root. Now my hairdresser uses this, and I think it's amazing. It adds volume and height without dulling colour, so I'm going to give that a go myself today when I blow dry this. And then thirdly, this is called Style on Steroids Performance Enhancing Texture and Finishing Spray. This is basically like a hairspray, but it gives texture to the hair. And I thought this might be really good when I blow dry it. I'm not going to put this on, I might not put this on today because, like I say, I'm popping to the hairdressers for her to have a look at it. Basically, she didn't want to put a 6 at the roots, because she was putting a 6 all the way through and she didn't want it to be like too drastic. Now she's thinking maybe it's a little bit too light. Can we see there's like that line of a little bit of a glow? So we're thinking to go a bit darker on that. And then the last 2 things that I bought are this. So this I thought would be a really good gift for Christmas, because I use this. This is the Weller Professional shampoo and conditioner. It's intense repair. It's what I use. I swear by this stuff. It smells incredible and it seems to be doing my hair a world of good. And then I got this from Look Fantastic in the sale, and it comes in this little like gift set. So inside you get, what's really good is they are full size. So you get a full size conditioner, a full size shampoo. These are like about £20 each normally. and then you get the mask as well. And I prefer that this mask is in like this little squeezy bottle, because I've got the one that's in the tub. I hate that they put them in those tubs. I just don't like it. I think it's really impractical when you're in the shower. God, I sound so old. So yeah, it comes all in a nice little set, and I thought that would be a really nice gift set to give somebody. I might give that my sister for Christmas. And then finally, one last thing that I'm dying to try, and I'm annoyed that I've just remembered it because I've already done my makeup today, but I got the original Get Started kit of Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals is something I've wanted to try for so long, because I'm just so curious about how a powder can be a foundation. I've got combination skin, right, so powders normally really dry me out. Like I have my oily T-zone, but across here I get really dry. My nose gets really dry, my chin's quite oily, so yeah, and I get dry bits around my head. So I don't know how this is going to go, but I've heard amazing things about Bare Minerals, and when I saw this kit I thought that's an amazing way to start. I'll put the prices, I'll link them below. I think it was around £35, which I thought was really good. You only obviously get a small pot in there, but you get a primer, the original loose mineral foundation, which has got an SPF in of 15, may I add. And you can choose your colour of your shade. I'll tell you which one I bought, but I think it was medium beige I ordered. Medium beige, number 12. And then you also get the mineral veil, which is supposed to be a standalone great product, and you get a finishing brush, the brush to use it with. So I'm going to give that a test, really. Maybe I'll try that tomorrow with you guys. You only get like a small amount, so you get like a 2 gram of powder, where that's hardly any compared to what you normally get, but it's just enough to try if you don't want to commit. Again, this would be a really nice gift for someone. It's difficult with the shade matching and stuff, but anyway, right, I'm going to quickly dry my hair. I'm dropping stuff. So I've just popped in the Dream Cocktail, Kale Infused Dream Cocktail. I use this every single day. I love it. And then normally I put a heat protector in, but I'm just going to see if this raised the root. I'm going to pop a heat protector in as well. So the heat protector I use is the Revlon 10-in-1. Pop a bit of that through, and then I'm going to try this Raise the Root. So it says, you spray onto damp hair, making sure to concentrate application on the roots. What I'll probably do, I'll put a little bit, I'll probably put this at the bottom, I'll probably section it off and put it on as I go. I think that might be best, doesn't it? Right, pop some of that on there. Here we go. Well, that's definitely give it some volume, hasn't it? I don't know about my root now. I don't know whether it is dark enough. It does seem very dark, doesn't it? I'm not sure. I need to look at it in the daylight. Yeah, that stuff's incredible. Let's just have a dabble with this. I like that. It's like really lightweight, but like it's almost like a cross between a dry shampoo and a hairspray. I quite like it. Right, I'm gonna get dressed for a start because I'm sitting in my bra, and then I'm going to take a picture for my hairdresser. See what she says. It's actually dried a bit darker, but it's when I go in the daylight. So look, I've got daylight here. See that root glow? It's just a very slight glow. Oh, that's gone dark quick. On the root, and it's because she put a 7 on, and that means that my hair's a tiny bit lighter, darker than a 7, so it's lifted my root, which means it's got like a bit of a glow. You can't really tell in this light. I'm going to have to take a picture of my camera and see what she thinks. So yeah, I'm going to take her a picture now, and then I'm going to get my nails done and see what she wants to do, because it's 10:30 and I got my nails at 11. So yeah, off I go.
Small
Okay, I'm back out the hairdressers and it is darker and I am happier. Like, it is, I think it was just a little bit warm, so we've gone in with a 6 and it's darker. Obviously I've got my hair colour still there. It's darker, but it looks lighter because of the contrast, and it's just like got rid of that reddy tingy tone, like the gingery tone, which, to be fair, I am actually glad that that happened, because I've still got those lines on my forehead, look. Can't be wearing that cap ever again. Which I'm glad, because I've always wanted to go like a copper, and I've always been a bit like, oh, I don't know, because I don't really suit warm tones. And exactly what happened, like the warm coppery tone just did not suit me at all. So I'm so glad that I saw that. So this is how dark it is now. So this is a level 6, and I really love it because it's still light, and on the ends I've still got like my colour, my like bleach colour still through here, which like gives it some lightness when it's down. And she put obviously the few through here, but then when it's like back or up, like I look at my little friend here. I actually really love it. I'm really shocked at how dark it is and how much I love it. So yeah, I'm definitely happier with it like that. Now, only issue is, right, it's 9 minutes past 3. I've had to race straight from Abbey to the school. I haven't got a coat and it's peeing it down. Great. Anyway, I also have my nails done. They are beautiful. They're stunning. I absolutely love them. I've gone for like a gold glitter fade, but I can't really get them in this light, so I'll show you when I get home. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get soaked. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Okay, first things first, excuse my spot sticker. Just got home, it's horrendous, and I've got to go out in a minute. Anyway, I don't know what I filmed. I'm probably going to be repeating myself, but so glad I went back and had it a little bit darker. Like, yes. It looks way darker underneath there. We've kept some like blonde bits around the front here, so when I take it back, it's not like too drastic. But this is a 6, so this has got rid of like all the warm tones that I had. She's put a 6.1 on, which is basically an ash 6, and yeah, I think we have quickly realised that I am not warm toned. I am definitely cool toned, which is weird because like I love golds and stuff, but it just did not go. She put a neutral on and it was just so gingery this morning. You can still see a little bit of like a hue of it, and that's with an ash in it. So at least we know now. But yeah, my nails quickly before my battery runs out are like this gold ombre, and again, I am obsessed. I love them so much. I'm so pleased with them. I've had them shorter for Christmas as well. A lot of wrapping. But yeah, I'm going to finish the vlog here because I'm going to the gym tonight and I probably won't remember to pick the camera up again. So I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, and try my bare minerals in the morning. Fingers crossed. See you.